Okay, you open the coin door, you should get this message. So then you hit both flippers. You should be able to scroll down to diagnostics. Standard tests. Solenoid test. Now you want to make sure you go to where you need to be. Left ramp. And if you pull out the interlock switch, it tests it. So that's the way you can test it. And push the interlock switch back in. And I'll tell you to check it. So.